can get up, you know. You can stand up and walk about.
Daddy.
Far keys away.
I am dirty.
Dirty? Where?
I want to take my bag off.
Yeah, let me help you take your bag off. Where are you dirty? On your face or something, or what? Just have a little bit of you need to wash your hands. That's all you need to do. Alright, let me get your...
I want to get clean.
Yep. Wipe your hands, Phoenix. Do you have one? Yeah, other hand. Come on, wipe your hands together. And
Is
then...
that real? You want that real, Shannon?
Where's that rod I gave you?
A little pen rod.
No, the other one.
What do you mean, another one?
I gave you another
You
one.
gave me a pen rod, that's it. You gave me a pen rod.
Lick is sticky.
I think you took the other one back. Because you said you wanted it. I think. Okay.
Your hands clean? A little bit.
Wait, I don't know who this is. I don't know who's
Put that in the bin. That's the bin bag.
I don't know who
That's
that is.
not bin bag.
Look.
We need a big bag.
That's the bin bag. I don't know whose that is either.
That's a bin bag.
Oh, good job.
It's not a bin
Right,
bag.
Phoenix, I'm going to keep these near the toilet. Right? You know where the toilet... Phoenix, do you know where the toilet is? This. Here. Come here. There. The toilet. So if you need a popo,
That was it.
there's your bum to wipe your bum, yeah?
It's not later.
I reckon that'll snap.
Yeah, if I get them on, I'll show you them
Ouch. Ow. Daddy did like onion. What's this? Ouch.
Duckies.
Ouch. Ouch. Daddy.
They come to say hello.
Daddy.
Right.
Daddy.
Man's got a fish.
Come on, Dad.
Hello.
Daddy.
Yeah. Right. Granddad's got a bait up there.
I want to do little fish, Daddy. I want to do
fat.
a fish like this one, Daddy.
Yeah? Well, you wait and see. I'll show you what I mean.
I
Granddad's
want to catch a fish.
Granddad's got two.
Big fish, big fish.
Yeah,
Granddad.
you're going to get a big fish. Let Granddad put some bait on. Let me sit down and I'll put some bait on, yeah? Let Granddad sit down and I will, if I can get milk out.
Small fish. Small fish.
Let Granddad sit down a
No,
minute.
bigger fish, bigger fish.
Let Granddad sit down and I'll put some bait on.
Okay, we're going to get a big fish now.
Oh, God, look me bloody...
I can get it for you.
No, best not. Better not.
Phoenix will help. Get the hook out.
Right.
Say cheese. Phoenix, say cheese.
Dangerous. Ew.
There's an only leg on the butterfly.
Don't pull that line because it'll put it right in my hands.
No.
Other rods for floating on top,
Oh,
I think. Other rods for floating on top,
oh.
I think.
First cast to you then.
Here we go then.
Ready?
Hold on.
Phoenix is quick off the mark.
Ready. Ready. Go.
That's a fish.
That's a fish. It's going to be in a minute, hopefully.
Is a fish?
It won't be long, Phoenix. Look, I'm going to put it in here. On there. And then we've got to do this.
My God, you. Is that?
That's it. I'm fishing. We're fishing.
Granddad, look, come in.
Yeah, we get a fish now, hopefully.
Granddad, I get a fishing rod.
Yeah.
Please.
Now we need to wait. When the fish eats the food, then you need to pick up the rod.
But watch this, Phoenix.
I want to help you.
Okay, come here.
Ah,
Stand here. Right, and chuck some in there. Chuck a few in there. Only one. Ready? One.
feeding the fish.
Save me some. Where's mine? Where's my ones? That's it. Now watch. Sit down. Sit down and watch.
Watch. Look at the food floating.
Watch the fish.
Wait, any moment. Watch this.
I need more, please.
No, what?
No, just watch. Just keep your eyes on them. Phoenix, look. Just watch. In about 2 minutes or less, the fish will eat them food.
Don't throw in too many. Not. That's too many. Yeah, that's enough now. Save some for later. Yeah. Save some for later. But watch the fish.
Phoenix, watch.
Take it. Don't get too close.
Watching. Keep watching.
It's a good sign, Shan. That means they're not here. Which means they ain't been fed all day. Which is good. Which is good. See? They're normally right there, straight away. But they ain't there today. Not there today, mate.
Oh, they're all spooked.
No, they're coming in though, look, they're coming in. They're coming in.
Oh.
Should be a quiet day. Yeah, put your chair over here, Phoenix.
Granddad, who's that?
Put your chair here. That's better, there. If you sit there, you can
Granddad, who's that?
you're going to get a fish, hopefully.
Granddad.
Hopefully you're going to catch a fish, Phoenix.
Granddad, hold it.
No, it's okay, it's on the rod rest.
Oh, Granddad.
It's on the rod rest.
Granddad.
Yeah.
Phoenix,
No.
the fish.
No.
Look.
Don't talk to her. Because that makes it worse. I've got a pull here, look, I've got a pull.
Here we go.
Pull on it.
Ready, Phoenix? It's gonna happen. The fish will eat the food.
I've got a pull on that.
When the fish are hungry, that's when we're gonna catch one.
Yeah, they're there. They're there.
Where? What, here?
They are there, yeah. Just saw one. I just saw it again. Just under the surface.
Hmm.
I've definitely got one on here, living. No, look, see it, the line.
Oh, a couple of fish are making the rounds.
Yeah, come in, look, see, Phoenix?
Oh, look. There's one.
Phoenix.
Look. There. Phoenix, look. Can you see that? They're eating.
They're eating the biscuits. They're eating the biscuits, Phoenix.
Granddad.
Yeah. I think it's time.
Get it.
I will in a minute. It's time to set up another rod.
I get a one. I want
Oh.
one.
Phoenix, what do you want?
I want the rod.
You want to do fishing?
I want the rod.
Fishing rod?
I need this. I need this. I need this.
That's a headband. It goes on your head.
I've got a duck on my bloody, on my biscuit nearly.
Phoenix, can you see it?
I can't even see it.
Oh, blimey.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
This big.
Nice big fish, isn't it?
Let me try.
Is that a barbless hook?
Yeah.
Is it? Don't get too close to the water, Phoenix.
Okay.
Good girl.
You don't have fish. Ha ha.
I will have one soon.
No, 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 no.
Phoenix, look. Can you see it?
I like it in that bank today. Let's see it
It's
then.
run away.
Yeah, we're going to catch him.
The fish is definitely running away.
We're going to catch him.
You got it?
Oh no, I ain't.
I can help you, Daddy.
Oh, Phoenix.
1, 2, 3.
That's it?
I can't get him.
Hold on, Phoenix.
It's too hard, though.
Oh no!
Is that your rod?
I think it was, but he's took it off, I think. Shan, bring it up, man.
I can't. One arm. It's hard. It's fucking heavy.
That's a nice one, eh?
It's really heavy and big.
Look, he's there. He's there.
This guy.
There's a fish. You got the fish.
Look at
Yeah, you got the fish, Granddad.
Look at that, Phoenix.
I want to hold the fish.
Look at that, Phoenix.
Oh, look at the big fish.
Where's the unhooking mat? Where's the unhooking mat?
Have you got it out yet?
Come over here, Phoenix. Come over here a minute.
It's a tickle.
I haven't got the unhooking mat out. Where is it? Oh, it's over there.
Wow.
Yeah, come over here, Shannon.
Oh, there it is.
Daddy, Granddad.
Unhooking mat. Oh, look at that, Phoenix.
A big fish.
That's a big fish.
Look
at him.
I want to get him. There's a hook in the net, Granddad.
Yeah.
I'll let you do the honours.
I can't even see it.
Whoa!
I think it's come out. I think he's foul hooked it.
Is it?
I think you foul hooked it.
No, it's in the side of his mouth.
Oh, okay. So it was around the fin. Hold on then.
It's turtle shell.
Go on.
Oh no.
Oh, he's out. Look at that fish, Phoenix.
I hold mine.
Sit on your chair then.
I hold that, Daddy.
Alright. Phoenix, want to try to hold it?
Sit down on your chair then.
Sit down on your chair and we'll get a picture of you with it.
Sit there. And you can hold the fish.
Go on, I'll let you do the honours, Dad. Put the fish on her lap.
Sit down then.
Okay.
There you go.
Fish is so
Touch him.
sticky. It's so sticky.
You can touch him if you want.
Phoenix, look at here. Look here. Phoenix, look here at the chocolate. Look.
Look at Daddy, quick.
Phoenix.
Look at Daddy.
Look here and
No,
smile.
I like it.
Oh no, she don't want it on her. Should we put him back?
No,
Put him in the water, yeah?
no, I don't like it.
It's actually a really lovely fish.
Yeah, it is a nice fish, that. Nice one. Let's put him back in the water.
Say bye-bye, fish.
Bye, fishy. See you soon.
I want the big fish.
Yeah, another one. We're going to get another one. Yeah? Another.
Phoenix.
Let Phoenix watch it go.
Come here. Come and see him swim.
Come and watch it swim away.
Come and see him swim. Come and see him swim away. Ready? There he goes.
One last little look.
And there he goes. Say bye-bye, fish.
I want the big fish.
Another one. Do you want to catch Moby, don't you?
Yeah, she wants Moby Dick. Well, there you go. First fish.
Big fish, big fish.
I'll never
big
catch the first fish here, so that's
Big fish, big fish.
just the way it goes.
I
Do you want to hold these?
want nothing.
You want to catch another one, don't you?
Blah, blah,
Phoenix want to catch another one.
blah,
Yeah, I think that's a yes. Oh. Well done. That's a good job.
I can catch. I can catch one.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
get away.
Phoenix, come away from the water, please.
I need to catch a.
Oh, yeah, we have to. Look, there's one.
I need to catch a big fish for dinner.
We need to use
Away from
techniques, and I'll show you.
Come away from the water.
A
little bit.
I want to catch a fish.
Come on in. Well, I'll show you. Do you want me to show you how to do it? I'll show you. Phoenix, what are you doing?
I'm catching a fish.
Catching a fish with your net. You do know that's probably scaring the fish away.
I can get that.
Do you want to go see the ducks? See the ducks?
The fish and rod. I did catch a big
Look,
fish.
look, Phoenix, look at all the ducks. They're getting close. Shall we go and see them?
No, catch him. I can help Granddad.
Help Grandad, yeah. Come on, let's help Grandad. Oh, stay away from the water, please.
I can do it.
I know, but don't fall in, please. Let's go and help Grandad.
Ow! But
Oh, stay away. You might fall in. Stay away. That's
Yeah,
it.
this should help.
Grandad needs help, Phoenix.
Help, yeah.
You're going to help Grandad.
Mama, rod.
Really, really good
Mama, rod,
of
yeah.
you. Phoenix, shall we go see the ducks?
No.
Alright, you stay and help Grandad. Duckies.
Oh, this should help, yeah.
I can help you.
Is that you or a fish?
Yeah, no, it's not. It's a fish. Hold on. Yep, got one.
Ooh! Grandad's got one. Phoenix.
Tell you what, Shane. Don't feel very light either.
Really? My one felt like a big bag of potatoes. What does yours feel like?
What's her, Shannon?
Phoenix,
Phoenix, come here.
Phoenix, come here and help with your.
Get hold of her, man.
Phoenix,
No, go in there.
stay near to Grandad. Look, there's a fish. Grandad's got a fish.
When I got a fish.
Yeah, I've got a good one as well.
I'm gonna get the net. Phoenix, just stay
It
there.
feels weird, Shannon. It feels like weird, really weird.
I'll get the net.
I don't know why it feels weird. No, Phoenix, come here.
Phoenix, stay back.
God's sake, Shannon.
Phoenix, stay back.
Look after her and play fish, mate. Oh. Listen it. You just get hold of her, mate.
No!
Alright. Look.
This don't feel very small at all.
Look what Grandad's got.
This feels big, boy.
Ooh,
Yeah, this feels big, man.
the fish is really going like a jet ski.
That's a 20-pound line. Or 15-pound line. And that's bending. That's not a good one. That feels big, mate. Oh, Shannon.
Is it like a rocket fish?
Not a small
No,
fish.
not a rocket fish.
This ain't small, mate. This ain't small.
Ooh,
It's a big.
Oh, look at that, look. Look at it go. Oh, God.
that's proper having it.
Yeah.
He's there.
It's a big carp.
He's there.
Carp fish. It's gonna splash us. Ooh,
There's a fish. Uh-oh. It's gonna be big fish. Ah! Whoa.
oh, that is a giant. That's quite a huge one. Oh yeah,
That's a nice
it's
one.
in the bag.
That is a nice one, boy.
Probably about 50 quid. I mean, not 50 quid, but
Boy, that's
20 quid that.
That's a lovely fish. Could you go and get my unhooking mat and put it over this side?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea, I suppose.
Yeah. Shall we put it in between us there?
Yeah, just bring it over. Leave it there. Right, now watch your earth for a minute.
Phoenix.
Shannon, that's a lovely one. Look at that.
There's really big fish in the net. In the net.
Watch what Grandad. Just watch. Watch what Grandad does.
Fish couldn't eat.
Now it's all about welfare, taking care of the fish, Phoenix, looking after it.
That's a nice fish.
Ooh.
Oh, fish couldn't eat. I can help a fish.
Do you want to hold it?
Right, you need to watch that hook. Look at that, Shan. That's a
Yeah, go on, let's take a photo of it. Phoenix, do you want to help Grandad hold it?
Look at that.
Stand next to Grandad and hold it.
Yeah.
Phoenix, Phoenix,
Look at
stand.
mouth.
Phoenix, stand here. Stand there.
Come stand here.
That's it. Stand next to Grandad. There, there, there,
Stand
there.
here.
Stand there, Phoenix. That's it. Stand close to Grandad there and help Grandad hold it.
Yeah,
That's it.
show Daddy the fish.
Phoenix, look here. Ooh. Smile.
See, smile, look at Daddy.
Fish.
Look at Daddy.
Okay.
Look at Daddy, quick.
Blabble.
Touch a
Blabble fish.
fin.
Do you
Go
want
on
to
then.
touch him?
I want to touch a fin.
Touch his fin then.
Whoa.
Let's put him back now. Mind
No,
that.
I want to hold him and they can
Yeah,
eat.
mind that. There's a hook there. Don't touch it, there's
We
a hook.
need to eat.
Yeah,
Need
there's a
to
hook.
eat.
Let's put him back now.
Big fish.
No,
Big
I want
fish.
to hold him.
You want to hold him?
Quickly then, one more time before it goes back in. It needs to go back in the water or it will die.
Okay. Hold him in.
And look at
Touch
me.
him.
Look here. Phoenix, look here.
He's all
Look at Daddy.
slimy.
Phoenix.
Yeah.
Phoenix,
Look at Daddy.
I want to put fish on the mouth.
He'll bite you. He'll bite your finger. Let's
Oh.
put him in the water.
Bye bye fish.
Say bye bye to fishy. He has to go
A
back.
fish need to eat.
That's a nice one, Shane.
A fish need to eat.
That's alright, we'll throw it in. Oh, careful the rod.
Oh.
Don't step on this, Phoenix. Hey, what you doing?
There's
There
touching.
we go.
Fish food.
I want
Two
to touch.
fish.
I want to touch a fish.
2 fish already.
Phoenix's turn to catch fish. She wants to feed them. Yeah, you might want to. She's going
Yeah,
to
I'm
step
gonna
on
get
it.
We can see, we can see. We can see the
Cuddle?
The-
Granddad cuddle? Oh no. Watch me, look. Oh.
Small one, like you.
You want to see a big fish? Really big one? Didn't you already see a big fish? The ones that we already caught? I'm going to put this in the bin, yeah?
There's one.
Where's another car?
I'll find it for you.
This one,
Other one.
this one,
No, other foot.
this.
That's it. That one. You're being funny, isn't you? Oh, I love you so much, Dylan. You're so funny.
What's she doing?
She went, is this the right foot or right foot? I went, no, that one. She went, no, this one. She was laughing, she was joking. She knew it was the other foot.
Oh, Dad, go, 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 go. Your fish. Go, 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 go. It's pulling.
Fish. This is big fish.
Oh no, it's probably been on, isn't it?
Yep.
Keep it slow.
It's dragged it. Probably done a few donuts around that little island in the middle. Oh, what's happened? Phoenix.
Where's the fish?
I don't know.
Wow, what a fish! What a fish! Get the net, quick! Get the net, man! What a fish!
Damn it.
What a fish this is! Oh my God! What a fish! Oh, I thought it was bigger than that. But wow. Wow.
Do you want me to do the honours?
Yeah, go on. It is big, it is big, it is big, it is big.
Oh shit. Got it! I've got it!
Oh no!
Is it?
Oh no! Quick!
Go! That's yours!
Got it, it's on.
Oh, fish.
Oh, I'm gonna have to do that fish first, don't I?
Bloody hell, Shannon.
They all just started biting. Right,
Got one more thing here.
2 fish in 1.
We're gonna have to do something with that fish, Shannon.
Right, I'm gonna have to stick this on my head.
I'll try, and I'm on myself, alright? It's alright. But I need the net, don't I?
Right,
I will need the net, don't I?
let's do this. Minutes, excuse me please. Let's
We're gonna have to play this
lift
fish
it out.
Mind her, with the back of the thing. Watch her, with the back of that.
Oh, what's that?
It's a nice fish, that is a nice
Why is
fish.
it all bloody?
Don't know, but
Oh, I don't like the look of that. Oh no, poor fish.
Fish is leaving.
oh no.
Yeah.
Put the rod down, because you're going to poke me in the eye. Lots of it. Put the rod to the
One
side.
little fish is there.
Look, it's all hooked up, that's why.
Dad, Granddad. A fish hook. We need to go home.
We go home soon. This is a big one and all.
He's there.
Right, do you want to play this fish? And I'll unhook it. Play
Yeah.
that fish in for me. Let Phoenix do it a little bit. Right, let Granddad do this.
I don't like the look of that fish. It looks all eel and stuff.
Granddad do this.
I can help you.
Help me to lift it out and play it.
He's there. There's another fish.
Calm down, man. Calm down.
Come down, fish. Come down. Come down.
Calm down.
Come down. Go ahead.
Oh no.
Who's there?
God.
Where's it hooked? Where's it hooked?
Oh, she just wouldn't. Just stay still for a minute and I'll get the hook out, man. Oh my God.
Oh, it's fucking bleeding
It's not
out.
really bad hook as it goes.
It's bleeding out of its
Right,
gills.
the hook is out, but it's gone through the net. Oh. Looks
You gotta get that fish back in. It looks fucking ill. I reckon.
Just break that rod in a minute. This fish is. I can't seem to. Say.
Come down. Come down.
I can see what's happened here.
Who's there?
Oh,
I can help you,
fucking hell.
Daddy.
Best we can do is do that.
Stand back, everyone.
What happened to that fish then?
Daddy.
Don't know.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, well, nice. That was horrible.
I'm helping you, Daddy.
Gonna have to clean that net, Dad, because that's all blood and stuff.
It was a big fish.
Oh no.
There's another fish.
Oh no. Lots of fish.
There's a 1, 2.
I've got to sort this out, Gemma, because this is bad here.
This is. Where's the.
Hold on.
I've got another fish here, Phoenix. What happened to that fish then?
I've just.
Why was it all like
I
that?
broke the line. So.
A fish bleed. Attraction.
God.
I can help you. Oh, 1, 2.
Look at it, look at it. So I think it's ready to come in.
What is it? There is.
Oh no! Come on,
You're gonna have to clean that net.
There is.
'cause that is.
There is a hook in the net, so I've got to be careful.
Again.
I'd say give it a little bit of a clean first.
There is a hook in the net as well.
What happened to that fish then? Why was it like that?
Don't know. Not sure. But this one, come on, do that.
Yeah! Got another one.
Done it. I do not
Daddy,
believe
where's
it.
my pink net?
Your pink net is behind the chair.
Oh, yeah.
Behind the chair. This chair. This chair.
No, can't. I can help. I can help you cook and Dad.
Oh, I'll have to go with her.
Go on, you want?
That's weird.
Careful, please.
I can't get a fish. The fish is gone.
You have to use a fishing rod and some dog biscuits.
I can use dog biscuits for that.
Ooh. Ooh.
Grandad! We need dog biscuits. We need dog biscuits for that.
Hold on. Hold on.
Phoenix, do you want to hold the fish?
Is there a line there? There's not.
No, it's not my line. It's probably yours.
I'm going to put cheese on it.
Ah, is that your idea?
Yeah.
So your idea is to put... Well, careful with the rod. Don't step on the rod.
See, careful. Give it that.
Oh, Ed, look, mind your head.
Pop cheese away.
We're going to have to get something sorted here, because when we... Oh, watch her, watch her.
No way.
So that's your idea, is it? To put the dog biscuits in the net?
We're going to
Yeah.
have to...
Let me see. So this is Phoenix's idea, to put the dog biscuits in the net,
catch the fish.
and that should get the
Not
fish
hard to work.
in the net. Huh, not a bad idea. That was your idea.
There's still a ball in it.
Very good idea. Oh, careful, don't fall in. Let me hold your hand. Yeah.
See? Oh no, a treat. I got cheese. It's a fine. I lost pop sheet. I got one pop sheet. I need 2 pop sheets. I got 2 pop sheets.
Pup treats. We'll catch the fish with the pup treats. The fish also eat them. Not only the doggies.
Oh no, lost treats. Dig it. Only fish.
I want to go get a sandwich. How about you?
Not me.
Okay. Only me? Okay. Come on, let's go over to Grandad to see what he's doing.
But no. I got one. I got one. I missed one. I need to get.
It's floated away, one of them. A big fish will eat that. And we need to catch it. Go on, Phoenix. Catch a big fish with your net.
Go on. And then there's some.
Come on, Phoenix. Let's go to Grandad.
No.
Yeah?
I've got it out here.
Ah, wicked. Hold down.
Ooh.
Blabberfish. Got it? Ah, you didn't get any fish though, did you?
No, there was a bait on there. that
Come
one.
on, let's go get the fishing rod. Come on. Ooh.
I'm gonna fish one rod. I'm gonna fish one rod.
Back. I think you better go back to your gear because all the ducks are.
Hey!
I'll bring his down.
Oh, okay.
Keep running around like hidden. Good girl. Come on in. Well done. Good girl. Don't touch that, that's my wallet. I need that, don't touch that. That's bait. Bait. No, you can't touch them because they're hard and horrible. They have to go in the lake because they're nasty.
I can do that.
You can do it if you want.
I can do the feet.
Careful, don't throw it.
Stop!
That's it.
I can.
Well done. No hooks in there, is there? Hope not.
Go on, Phoenix.
Bro, paying up for us, she's paying up.
Oh, what, all of them?
Yeah, they're no good, they're hard. They're hard boilers, they're no good, but they smell. I might fish there later, down there. She's baiting up a little spot for me. Same spot again, well done. Good girl, Phoenix. Careful. Same spot again, same spot. She's getting the same spot every time. Phoenix, you're a proper fisherman, fisherwoman. You're a proper fisherwoman. Careful. Well done. Chuck them in then. Throw them in, careful.
Stop.
Careful.
Phoenix, stop and then throw. Phoenix, stop to Grandad, stand still,
Stop there.
stop and then
Stop.
throw it. That's it.
That's it, well done. Best bet is don't leave any bait hanging out because she's going to want to chuck it in. That's just old bait, she's allowed to do that. Wow, good throw. That's a
See if you can throw it really, really
Ah,
far.
so you get close.
Phoenix, throw it far. 3, 2, well.
That's really good. She's got a two-hand throw now. She's got a two-handed throw. That's a good spot to fish now, mate.
3, 2, 1.
Is that all gone now?
Mama.
Is there some more? She's going to sleep tonight. I'll tell you what, she's going to sleep. She had a little nap. Well done. Yeah, look, there's some more there, look.
Here
One more.
comes the ducks.
There's some more. Some more there. And one in there. And one more there. There you go. Careful. Well done. That's going to be a hot spot. It's going to be a hot spot, mate.
I'm damn sure it will be.
I'm going to have to just dunk one right under my rod tip. That's it, all gone now there.
Done.
All gone. All gone.
Finish.
All gone now. Don't
Well
chuck
done,
any of that.
Phoenix.
Put-
Good job. I'm
Hide
really
the-
proud of you for that one.
Hide the bait. Hide the
Baited
bait.
up for us.
Hide the bait.
That's a big job, Phoenix. A good job done. Well done.
We've got loads of these, look. What's that in there? Oh, batteries. Okay. Are you
Phoenix,
fishing?
you
Are
did good.
Are you fishing?
I need some bait.
No one's fishing, man. No
Yeah.
one's fishing. What's going on? Not one rod out. Not one rod out. Well, I best get a rod out. Right, watch out with her, Shan. I'm going to put a bait on. You're going to watch
Uh-oh, she's going in there.
Where?
There. Don't throw that out, Phoenix.
No, don't chuck that out. I need that. That's for fishing.
No.
Look, Granddad, sit down and bait up. There's a hook there. Oh dear, there's a hook. I need to put that away.
Oh, she's moving her seat out. Oh, we're
Right,
done.
she's all right.
You are so independent, you are, aren't you? Don't go near the. Don't go near there. Oh, look, there's the ducks, Phoenix. Look, ducks.
Bring it back a bit, though, boy.
Hey.
Bring your chair back a bit, Phoenix. Away from
Oh.
Yes, yeah.
away from the lake, Phoenix.
What are you doing?
Phoenix.
You've
Well,
in charge, Shan.
yeah, Phoenix. Oops, excuse my manners.
Careful. She's so clever. She knows what to do. Oh. Watch her.
Oh, keep your balance, please. Oh, Phoenix, don't throw them in. Phoenix,
Can't
not
throw them
them. Not them.
Only two.
We better hide them.
Yeah. No more.
That's enough. No more. No, that's enough.
Right, she's getting
You
a
want
bit.
some dog biscuits?
She can throw some dog biscuit.
Yeah, dog biscuits is fine.
Where are they? They're in there.
Let me try and find you some.
In that bag there, Shan. One. Only one. Only one. Yes. Daddy, you got one, look.
Oh, it came off.
Oh, it's come off. I'm lucky, man.
Oh, look. I caught a bloody scale.
Gotta save it. That's a big scale. That's a big scale.
Oh,
That's a big scale.
blimey. I'm going to keep that as a souvenir.
Yeah, big scale that is.
Look
Careful.
at that.
You, wait, careful. 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 Gorge.
That is a huge scale. Spree of whatever you want to call it.
Long out. Oh, you're so
Pen
funny.
poo spree.
You're so funny.
Random spree.
Do you
Of
wanna
whatever you
walk?
want to call it.
Do you have a walk? Let's go find the badger.
Ouch!
Careful. You okay?
Magic, magic.
Pig! Magic! Pig!
Me? Not me.
Magic! Pig!
The best thing is showing.
Oh, quick, 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 there's a pig. There's a pig. There's a pig.
Oh.
Magic! Pig!
Oh, careful. Not out. Ah, it might have been them lot who just showed up.
This was your phone.
Wow. Nice people.
It probably is there.
You can't catch me, Granddad! You can't catch me!
I know
Phoenix.
I can't catch you.
You can't catch me, Badger!
Phoenix. Phoenix. You wanna throw it? Phoenix. Wait, you wanna throw the dog biscuits?
You got to land it yourself. That one. Yeah, see, Phoenix? Take it out from it because the fish is there. Keep it on line.
Look. There it is.
Daddy landed a fish. Quick, put this down, we'll see it, yeah? Quickly. Hold on. Put this there a minute and we'll see the fish.
I think the hook's come out.
Is it? Great. There you go. That's great. That's always good when that happens.
Careful.
The still on and all.
Careful with that hook.
Blimey. Christ. No, it's wound in too much. Feed it. Let go. A minute. Hold on.
No, good job. Well done.
You wound it.
Alright, you can have a fishing rod.
There you go.
Maybe you should set her up the little one.
There you go.
Oh, Phoenix holding a rod.
Just sit 1 minute. Hold on.
You're going to catch a fish.
Come get it.
Oh, I'm ragged for it. I'm knackered. I think I've been working today.
Is that yours, Daddy?
Yeah, that's called a reel.
Dear.
And this is the rod. And that's the net. Remember how we did it? Oh, careful! You might break the rod when you reel it in, because look, there's no slack. There's hardly any line.
Oh.
But yeah, you can catch a fish too. You want to catch a fish? Yeah, I think that's a yes. Let's help you catch a fish.
We need some trees.
Treats. I'll get you some.
Granddad, we need some treats.
Want some treats? What, for you or the fish? Well, for you? You want a treat for you? What's she found?
What's that, Feeny?
What's she found? On the floor there?
What is it?
It's not a hook, is it?
What you got? Oh, bait. That's the landing mat. Here comes the ducks.
Sit down on your chair, have a rest. Have a rest on your chair.
Quick, quick.
Going in there. Good stuff. She's so cool, Shane.
Nap, nap.
Oh, well, just wish I bought anything.
Nap, nap.
I can hold a
Oh,
big.
wait. There's some fish. I think it's gonna eat the biscuit.
It's fish here.
Yeah.
There's a fish there, Granddad.
I saw one, yes.
Granddad, get a fish.
Hopefully.
Oh, go on, keep going, Phoenix. Put your feet up.
Look at that.
It's all squash.